Shalom, my name is Dr. Yeshaya Gruber. I'd like to tell you about my course, Exploring Jewish Interpretation. No doubt you have already come to understand that Jewish perspectives on the Bible have a lot to offer. But have you been wondering how to start studying the vast literature of Jewish commentary on the Bible? Well, wait no longer. We will look at Jewish commentators throughout history, from first century thinkers like Philo of Alexandria and Flavius Josephus, to modern authors like the late Chief Rabbi Lord Jonathan Sacks and one of the most prominent rabbis of modern Orthodox Judaism, Joseph Soloveitchik. We will discover how early rabbis used imagination and stories to create biblical interpretations. We'll see how they expounded on the very first verse of Genesis, and then look at how the great medieval rabbi philosophers like Maimonides and Nachmanides picked up on those same themes while adding new insights. Join me for a bit of Jewish humor along with some truly mind-opening revelations into the beautiful vista of Jewish interpretive traditions. I am so excited that you are part of our growing family. If this course piques your interest, go ahead and start learning now. See you in class.